Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make an eco brick. An eco brick is basically a building block made entirely by non-recyclable plastic. First of all, we're going to need a bottle, a plastic bottle, from 500 milliliters up to 6 liters. Then we're going to need a stick that will fit into the plastic bottle. And the third thing that we're going to need is all that non-recyclable plastic that will fit into the bottle. It has to be clean and it has to be dry. So protein bars, cookies, chocolate, condoms, all the wrappers from the food that we're eating, basically. So once we put all of our plastic inside, we're gonna grab our stick and compress all the plastic. And once it's totally full, every time we put it in, we're gonna do this so it's like fully compressed and tight. So what do we do with our eco bricks? There are so many ideas of things that we can build, like playgrounds, build for our garden, walls. I mean, there's so many things that we can do, but the important thing is for all of us to commit and to take action. So grab your bottle, grab your plastic, and start putting everything inside the eco brick. Let's help the Mother Nature, let's help our planet Earth.